Pretty safe to keep our arms and legs inside the train at all times. First thing, keep our front hazards. We do have the police and smoke on the train, but it's prohibited on blue ground. To your left is our Union Pacific engine houses, where the two stores and maintain both of our engines. If you'd like to take a look over your left shoulder inside our engine house again. On your right is our Indian rhinos. The Indian rhinos weighs about 500 pounds less than the African right rhinos. The Indian rhinos also only have one horn, whereas the African rhinos have two. And their horns are not made out of bone nor ivory, but out of keratin. Keratin is a substance that your fingernails and hair is made out of. Stripper rhinos is also referred to as a grass. And they do like to roll on mud to create a barrier between the mosquitoes and prevent sunburn. The only way to stop a rhino from charging is to cancel his credit card. Has become a big landmark for the Omaha area. And underneath our Dome is also our Kingdom of the Night. Kingdom of the Night is one of the world's largest nocturnal underground indoor swamps. You will find our rare white alligators, but it's not albino, however, because of its nickname to his eye, which makes it even more rare. The engine pulling today's train is engine 104. Engine 104 fought in both world wars, and then it was then donated to the zoo. And on your right, it may not look like anything yet, but it's a construction for our future site of the Asian Highlands. The Asian Highlands will be done by the end of summer 2019. It'll be home to some of our current animals here at the zoo already, such as the rhinos, our tigers, and the snow leopards. It'll also be home to some of our new animals, such as the sloth bear and the red panda. Fun fact about the red pandas, they are more related to a raccoon than they are to a panda. Playground is our Owen Sea Lions Pavilion. In the 1940s, when it was still Riverview Park, it used to be used as a public swimming pool. It was then covered with dirt due to an outbreak of polio. In the 1960s, it was rediscovered and renovated, giving us a home to our sea lions in the 1970s. A sea lion can stay submerged for up to 20 minutes underwater. We are now approaching our wildlife management headquarters. Home to our lions, bongos, cheetahs, and our single antelopes. The train will be making a brief stop here just to let some steam out of the engine. This is not a stop to get on or off the train, so please remain seated. We'll be on our way shortly.